If you are looking for a good budget phone right now, Tecno Spark 30C would definitely pop up. But is it actually worth it? Let us see what comes with it and the actual performance. So it has 5,000 battery, 6.67 inches. That's the screen display, and infrared remote control and all that. Okay, wow. This is a very beautiful design. The cameras, it looks cool. We're going to see the performance of the phone, how well it does. It comes with this pouch. Techno, I think it's time for you to upgrade your pouch. This, this Type-C cord and earpiece and the SIM ejector pin. So yeah, this is the phone. This refresh rate, I think, is basic. It is not bad, but we're going to be checking the camera. People have been asking if they can use this to create content because of people that are looking at the budget. So I'm going to do some short videos and post them afterwards, so you will see the quality of what you are getting, right? Let's just see what it gives us. I'm going to be posting this video alongside, so you will be the judge. And then for camera, I think it's performing very well. I don't think it's a bad camera. Then the battery is 5,000 battery. What else is there about this phone? The storage. It has the RAM extension if you would want to do that. This is the basic 128 gig. The fingerprint is by the side. The SIM tray is right by this corner, and it has dual speaker like we've heard. So let us check the sound. This is the sound. So you can go from the ringtone. How loud can you get? Increasing the tone. Okay. Dual speakers. There's one here and there's one on the performance. It is powered by MediaTek G81 processor, and you also get 8 gig RAM with the extension, so you can extend the memory. So that means that things should be able to work. You should be able to use different apps simultaneously. So far, so good. But then, this is a new phone. You cannot just judge based off from this, but from what we've seen so far, I believe it's doing well, right? Okay, let's test the charging to see. Okay, it says it's a fast charge. It's not bad. You can see the way it is climbing. So that is an advantage that this one will have. That means it gets full faster. From what we've seen thus far, it is not bad. So, do you have similar experience? Have you used Spark 30C? How has it performed for you? Do you have any complaint? People would like to hear from you, get your feedback. Please leave us a comment in the comment section on how it has performed so far. And for the battery is 5,000 mAh, which is basic. Should be able to carry you through the day for average use. So I think it's fine. It is fair since it's a budget phone. So thank you for watching. So bye.